Hi everyone, this is Mr. Souza, and today we're going to go over graphing vertical and horizontal lines. So, I have recorded two videos earlier, one on graphing standard form and the other one on graphing y-intercept. So, this video is about this special case. It's a special scenario where you have either the x by itself or the y by itself. So when you have the x by itself, in this case, x is equal to 3. So you're going to look at your x-axis. So x is 3 right here. Now keep in mind, if you move sideways, your x will be a 4, 5, and so forth. The same way, if you go to the left, you have 2, 1, 0. The x is changing. Now keep in mind, if you go up or down, your x will stay 3, so no matter what happens. So right here, your x still 3. Here, x still 3. 3, 3, 3. It does not matter how much you go up or down, your x will always be 3. And that's how we know we have to graph a vertical line. Why vertical? Because if you go up or down, your x will not change, because your x only changes sideways. So like that. Number two is somewhat similar, but in this case, we're going to deal with y. So we have y equals -2. So for the y, we're going to look at the y-axis, and your y is -2 right here. Now, when it comes to the y, if you go up or down, your y is changing. And we cannot change y because y has to be a -2. So what we're going to do instead is move sideways, because if you move to the right or if you move to the left, your y will never change. Your y will stay -2. Another way to think of y is your height. The height here is -2. So it doesn't matter how much you move sideways, the y will be the same. So you can make a point anywhere straight and draw a horizontal line. So it will look like this. Connect the 2 points and draw your arrows. Okay. So now let's go to questions 3 and 4. Please pause the video and try questions 3 and 4. Welcome back, everyone. Now we're going to go over questions 3 and 4. So for question 3, we have x equals -1. So because we're talking about x, we're going to look at the x-axis, which is sideways. Your x is -1 right here. Again, keep in mind that if you move sideways, your x will change. However, if you go up and down, your x will not change. So you can just make a bubble up here and then connect your 2 points and you have your vertical line. Now let's do number 4. So number 4, you have y equals 5. So you're going to look at your y-axis, which is up and down right here. So y is equal to 5 right here. And again, it does not matter how much you move sideways, your height will be the same. Your y is still 5. So you can just make a bubble anywhere on this horizontal line. And then you can go ahead and connect the points. Again, don't forget to draw the arrows at the end. And that's all.